Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your mission inspiration for the month of November. Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Add texture through a stencil. B. Make marks with something unusual. C. Include an animal, fish or bird somewhere on your page. D. Add paper or card circle cutouts somewhere, anywhere. E. Include washi tape. F. Divide your page into 3 separate sections. G. Only include 1 single word somewhere on your page. And finally, H. Apply paint or colour with your fingers. Your colours for the month are pecan, sage and teal, and your words for inspiration are sky, equal, leap, montage and reflect. And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.